Hello. Are you here for the English club?
Yes, I am.
Welcome to the club. What's your name?
It's Sean.
How do you spell that?
S-E-A-N.
That's a nice name. How old are you, Sean?
I'm 12.
Okay. Good. What's your address, please, Sean?
It's 15 Q Road.
How do you spell Q?
K-E-W.
Okay. Number 15.
Yes.
And what's your phone number?
My mobile number?
Yes, please.
It's 0987 234 256.
0987 234 256.
Yes. What day is the club?
The English club is on Monday and Friday.
Monday and Friday?
Yes.
Great. Thanks.